Hello everyone, I will show you about how to use Mendeley.
Must log in your account. If you don't have account, you can sign up first in these tools. And then you can check your Mendeley has to connect in your Microsoft Word or not. If not, there is an option install Microsoft Word plugin. Then you can install Microsoft Word plugin. If already installed, you can add files with click here as a metadata. This steps is for automatically technique. You can choose article that you have previously. And voila! This is your metadata document. Then, this steps is for manually technique. You can click this. You must fill in these columns according to the journal or book that you use. I have filled this, and then you can click Save. This is your result of add metadata by manual technique. Now I will tell you to apply in Microsoft Word. This is just an example. Please block this author, then you can click option Insert Citation. And then it will appear like this, and fill the author's name in this column is automatically connected to the Mendeley. Ta-da! If your typing is wrong, it will be corrected automatically from Mendeley.